How to fix lag in Aternos Minecraft. So if you're going through lag or pretty much ping issues when you're playing in an Aternos server, there are a few fixes you can do in order to get rid of that lag or pretty much help you lessen that lag and get more MS, or I mean less MS and more ping. But you can directly do this in the server. We can control it. You could try restarting the server very first. There might be a few things you want to restart and refresh. That's the first thing you want to go ahead and try. But you can also optimize the Aternos server settings. So you can choose the right version, of course, since vanilla or paper servers usually run smoother. You can choose the right server or the right version, of course, or the software. Since vanilla or paper servers usually run smoother than Forge or mod heavy setups, you can use paper or Spygot. These are optimized server types that reduce lag compared to pure vanilla. You can also lower your render distance in server properties, which is pretty much found in options, I suppose. But lower your render distance for the default, since that can reduce entity limits as well in your server. So too many mobs or animals or dropped items can cause lag. So use plugins or commands like kill or add items, or if there is too much. You can also manage mods and plugins. So if you are having too many of those, of course it's gonna make your server lag. So you're gonna have to optimize that. You can also control the player behavior, or if you are playing yourself, I guess that still can help. But if you're playing with a lot of people, then you can avoid building massive redstone contraptions out of farms or mob grinders with too many entities. But if you really do want to do that, then I guess you can choose the other options. And you can improve your internet connection, since you can use a stable wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi if possible. And if on Wi-Fi, you can stay close to the router. Ensure no background downloads or streaming while playing. Choose an Aternos server location closest to you. And then you can also upgrade Aternos resources. There is an indirect fix where play with fewer players online at the same time. You can use fewer worlds, so delete unused ones in this server panel. And finally, you can restart the server regularly to clear memory, as pretty much mentioned as the first thing you can do. So if it's online, you can just do that. Or you can also press disconnecting over here. I played Aternos before, and as a server host, that did help for some reason. But you can also go ahead and try that. Doesn't really take that long, but hopefully one of the options of this video can help you though. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.